You just hit a jackpot. That's the fun part. But how much of it do you actually keep after taxes? This video and the Gambling Winnings Tax Calculator were developed by the JackpotSounds team. We're going to show you step by step how to estimate your taxes and see what you really take home. Start by selecting your filing status: single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying widow. Your status determines your federal tax brackets and standard deduction. For 2026, the calculator automatically applies $16,100 for single, $32,200 for married filing jointly, and $24,150 for head of household. If you check "I'm 65 or older" or "I am blind," it adds the extra federal deduction automatically. Next, select your state: Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Michigan, or New Jersey. Each state calculates taxes differently. Pennsylvania uses a flat 3.07%. Michigan uses 4.25%. New Jersey and West Virginia apply progressive rates. The calculator assumes all your income is taxable in the state you select. Now choose your deduction type. If you select standard, the calculator does all the work. If you choose itemized, enter your total eligible deductions, including gambling losses. Keep in mind, gambling losses are only deductible up to the amount of your gambling winnings. And if your itemized total is lower than your standard deduction, the calculator automatically uses the higher amount. Enter your adjusted gross income, or AGI. That's your total income after IRS adjustments. Then enter your gambling winnings and any losses if applicable. The calculator uses this information to estimate both federal and state tax liabilities. Click Calculate Tax. You'll see your federal tax liability, your state tax liability, your total tax owed, and most importantly, you keep from your gambling winnings. The calculator compares your total tax, including gambling income, to your tax without gambling income, isolating the tax impact of your winnings. This calculator is intended for casual gamblers and provides estimates only. It does not account for local taxes, credits, or professional gambling rules. Always consult a qualified tax professional for your specific situation. Plan smarter. Winning is great. Knowing what you actually keep is even better.